Leo, real quick, little show and tell, a little late to the party. We already started this job. 2019 Street Glide came in for a rear suspension upgrade and front suspension upgrade. We went with the Revo Arc with the remote reservoir in the rear. We got to add the decals. That'll be ready to go. And then with the front, we have this apart. We're going to go with the Axeo Performance front end suspension kit from Legend Suspensions. You can't go wrong, guys. If you're looking for a deal on front or rear suspensions, give us a call. We got sales going on. We'll get you a free quote, have you in and out. But we'll show you before and after. You're not going to see much on the front end, but you'll see the rear with the remote reservoirs and how it looks. All right, Leo, 2019 Street Glide in here for the front and rear Legend suspension upgrade. We went with the Revo Arc with the remote reservoir in the rear. Looks good, gonna ride good, gonna feel good, he's gonna love it. And then in the front, we went with the Axeo Performance Legend suspension front end kit. So this is gonna be a nice before and after riding comfort, but if you have that stock suspension on your bike and you're looking for an upgrade, give us a call. We'll have you in and out with a free quote.